What's going on YouTube? If you're new to the channel, welcome. We got about 2,000 subs the other day releasing the GT3RS, so thank you guys for all the support. I decided I'm gonna start releasing more and more videos, and I started editing this video last night and realized, holy shit, this might be the worst video I've ever released, and I'm not doing that. Instead of making you guys sit through like 7 minutes of hell, I'm just gonna explain what happened, we'll recap, and then we'll go forward. First things first, I start the video out explaining very shittily, may I add, that, shittily, is that a word? That I am moving the Fuel Force warehouse stuff from the front to the back, and we're actually gonna start putting some money into it. We're gonna order a lift, we're gonna order tool chests, we're actually gonna start doing some projects there like the Raptor. I asked you guys which bumper you'd rather me buy, the frame cut or the other one, but then I bought the frame cut, so it doesn't even matter. Then I had what I thought was some cool drone shots that came out mediocre at best. Taking us to Home Depot, where I proceeded to purchase a tool chest. Me and some guy at Home Depot loaded it in the back of the truck. And then I went to fill up the Raptor at a gas station. I bitched and whined about how expensive gas is for the Raptor and how long it takes to fill up. Super important stuff in this video. Then we drove to the warehouse. Me and Max unloaded the tool chest. I talked about the tool chest for entirely too long. Then I installed a couple PA speakers in the gym so we can listen to music. I said something along the lines of, the goal of this is not to drive everyone inside crazy. It's just like ambient music out here while we're out here working. But they are club-ready PA speakers, so if we wanted to, and I was gonna follow that up with like a quirky little clip of, you want to party, you here to party? This video would have been just mind-blowingly good. And that just saved you about 7 minutes of watching the most boring video I've ever put out. And that also catches us up to right now, well, not right now, 10:30 p.m. Monday night. So I got a little goodie box from Suncoast and Porsche. These are all OEM Porsche parts. This is the most fucking extra thing in the world, but these are actually the painted pieces for the key. The painted key option from the factory, I believe, was $499. You're gonna drop these keys and mess them up anyway, but you can buy the authentic Porsche parts that are painted to match your car. I believe it was like 120 bucks or something like that, so it saves you a lot of money. Yeah, it's not on the sticker, but so be it. These are the clear side markers. So it's these orange pieces, the only orange piece on the entire car. You are in Europe, I'm pretty sure they come clear, but in the US, there's like regulations that force them to be amber. You can buy the clear ones after the fact. They are still OEM Porsche parts. I guess they just can't ship them to the US with these in there, so you just buy them after the fact. I think they were like 75 bucks. I've never installed these before, but it can't be, I don't know, can't be that hard, right?
6 hours later.
This is why I don't think we need school anymore, because anything you want to learn, anything you don't know how to do, you can just search on the internet and figure it out. According to the man on the screen in the video, I'm just supposed to use something to push this back a little bit and then it pries out. Okay, dude on YouTube, how do you put them back in now, please? Is this the right one? Is it, am I backwards? I guess that's it. Much easier. You snap the back end first and the front pops in and it slides forward. Finished product, much cleaner. So at night they still light up orange, but during the day they will be completely clear, which looks way better. When I say I'm gonna like mod out the GT3RS, which I haven't actually said that, but if I do ever say that in the future, I mean stuff like this and then an exhaust system, that's it. Key's done, matches the car perfectly. It's so extra, but it's also badass. All right, I'm gonna catch you guys in like 6 hours. All right, so we're back at Porsche. On the sticker, let me back up. On the build, I requested that the door handles were a CCX option. They're $1,500 to make these things racing yellow to match the seatbelts and everything else. It was locked in like that. I'll pull the build sheet at some point and show you guys. I immediately saw they weren't yellow. However, I look at the sticker and there's still a CCX option on there for the same amount. So I don't know if it was accepted and then for whatever reason while they're building the car, they rejected it. Or if they just forgot. I seriously doubt that can happen at the Porsche factory. Whatever happened, it came with the gray door handles. We hit the stage, we ready to raise, we thunder up, stay in your place, we get it.
your face and thunder up. Thunder up. We hit the stage, we ready to rage, we thunder up. Thunder up. Stay in your place, we get in your face and thunder up. We gonna thunder up. Open the door, let me tell you what it's here for. Had enough for my old friends, yeah, I just knew that I wanted more. They was too concerned with what they wore, meanwhile I was running up the score. Now everywhere I land, homie, you understand, I bring thunder like I'm Thor. Called moms up and I swore she gon' get anything she praying for. Nowadays she be laying out cause some bank accounts, yeah, they offshore. You ain't down.
Such a tiny change, but it makes a huge difference in here. It just ties everything together. So again, don't entirely know what happened. I seriously doubt it was missed at the Porsche factory, so I just, either they didn't have them in stock or maybe it got rejected and they forgot to pull it off the sticker. I really do appreciate Momentum for making it right. This thing looks incredible now. Like it's just so much more put together, I guess. I just pulled out to my buddy John's shop, Gulf Coast Auto Shield. They're the ones that are gonna protect this thing with a clear film. That is an entirely different video though, so I'm gonna wrap this up right now. Something I wanna start ending my videos with is I'm gonna feature one of your cars on my channel. I've seen other YouTubers that'll like feature a tweet or a follower at the end of every video. So I thought it'd be cool to start featuring someone's car at the end of every video. Obviously not this one because I just am starting this now, but hashtag one of your photos on Instagram with the Fuel Force. I don't care what you drive, it could be anything, and I will randomly go through and pick something I think is cool and feature you at the end of my video, every video going forward. Also, I'm gonna start uploading once a week. I haven't decided yet if it's Thursday or Saturday, but once a week, same day, you can expect a video from me. I'm gonna commit to that. I still love this car so goddamn much. I will catch you guys in the next one.